So hi, I'm Dr. Vandana, and the experience at Hematocon was extremely good. So I gave a talk on pre-operative workup for the bleeding disorders, and all the talks were very diligently designed, and uh, it took time for me to do research on this topic, but it was well, after the talk I emerged to be, I think, a better read person, a better researched person. And all the talks were like that, so there was a lot of learning over the sessions. There was good information on the genomics and what should we do in the Indian scenario. So I think overall it was a very good experience, and there were a lot of good sessions that were going on. Not only that, apart from that, there were a lot of talks, oral papers, which gives you a lot of learning. So I think all the postgraduates, so this is one request which I would definitely like to give to all the postgraduates out there, that you should come and attend Hematocon if you are interested in hematology, because when you're doing your MD, you do not know that which is the field you are interested in, histopathology or cytopathology or hematopathology. So do explore hematopathology, because, or hematology as a conference, because this is one, Hematocon is one conference where you see both hematopathologists and the clinical hematologists coming together. So it is such a beautiful arena, beautiful place where you could learn a lot of stuff. You can see how the clinical hematologist and hematopathologist interact to make a diagnosis and to treat the patient. So hematology is a wonderful field, and I urge all the residents, MD medicine residents, MD pediatric residents, and MD pathology residents to do attend hematocons whenever they are there, because it's a beautiful learning experience for all of us, right? So with that, signing off. Bye bye.